know you feel me, the hidden you want, baby. Ooh, I need a chance, baby. I need something to wake me up, some feels, baby.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's LiyahJoinee. Today we're going to be using the Lada Body Curl Activator to do our curls today. I will be using some straws that I got from Dollar Tree, just some regular old plain straws. This is for the people who don't have any curling rods, because I literally didn't have any and I saw them straws and I was like, let's use them. Currently I'm trying to get this gossipy glue out of my hair, so I just use a little bit of water to take it out. I've been using gossipy glue lately because honestly guys, to be real, I ran out of gel, so I was being lazy and used gossipy. Okay, now I'm in the process of taking all of them down. I didn't actually use any oil to take it down because that curl activator had enough moisturizing in it for my hair not to frizz up again. So I'm gonna take these down. I literally forgot about this one piece in the bag. Like, I took my whole hair down, but I forgot about this one piece and it kind of got tangled, but I ended up getting it out. So, but my hair didn't frizz. I'm so happy. Like,
I know you feel me, the hidden you are, baby. Ooh, I'm here to translate.
but first, before we do finish, we have to go ahead and, you know, comb out the roots. Well, not comb it out, but just like fluff it out a little bit, just to give your hair a little bit more range like this, so it can be nice and flowy. So I always like to make sure I do that when I take down any kind of twist. It can be like 2-strand twist, 3-strand twist. I always make sure to do this step.
I know you feel me, the hidden you are, baby. Ooh, I'm here to translate it. I need something to it, yeah, some face, baby. I know you feel me, the hidden you are.